design process began with the research of our individual production areas. From there, we sketched different design ideas for townhomes that were modern would be appealing to the modern day person. As a group, we looked at all the sketches and then decided which one we would move on with. We all drew perspective drawings and then created color versions using architectural markers. From there, we set off to work on our individual production areas. Our townhome is focused on environmentally friendliness and modern appeal. We wanted to make our townhome where families had their own spacious needs, yet make it compatible for a closed-in design. To support the environment, we incorporated tinted glass windows and walls throughout the building, which would cut down on heating and air conditioning bill costs. The placement of trees all around the building will also help with the air conditioning costs. Our building is in tune with the surrounding buildings, but in its own way. What do you see as important issues or considerations in the design?
I think one of our most important issues is making sure our building or our townhome is as environmentally friendly as possible.
What are the strengths of this firm?
We go with the 3 C's, which is creativity, cooperation, and communication.
What was the inspiration for the logo?
The colors for the logo were chosen to represent the environment.
What is the spatial organization?
The spatial organization is clustered and linear.
What do you see as important issues or considerations in the design?
I think one of our main concerns is how well we're going to keep the building environmentally friendly and accommodate the family well.
How did you come up with the colors of the logo?
We wanted to keep the theme of environmentally friendly going, so we picked colors that are found in nature.
What does modern mean?
Modern means creating design that relates to current architectural designs. What do you see as important issues or considerations in the design?
Limiting the size of the building and having enough room for the families to live in.
What are the challenges of the design?
Creating unique floor plans for each townhome.
What is interesting about this design?
Well, the building is clustered overall, but there's a lot of living space for the families.
What software are you using to create this design and why?
I am using Autodesk Revit, and the reason why I'm using it is because I've been using it for the past 2 years about. It's a really easy program to learn, and I'm able to show off my full capabilities in it.
What do you see as important issues or considerations in the design?
Aesthetic appeal and functionality and environmental friendliness.
What are the challenges of making the model?
The work can be tedious, and it's difficult to find the right materials and the right tools to use, and it's time consuming.
What scale are you using?
1 foot equals 50 feet.
How much detail will be in the model?
As much as possible, and how much I can get in with the time constraints.